What's up, guys? This is going to be a really short video, but this is just how to make your text bold and italicized to make your comments more readable and more easy to read for people just scrolling through comments, so maybe you get more likes. Anyway, so as you see, I have written a comment here. I'm doing my part to spread the word to subscribe to PewDiePie. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go, so first to bold it, you go to the numbers, just on your regular keyboard, go to numbers, and then go to the hashtag signs, and then put the star at the end of your comment, and then go to the beginning of your comment and put the star again. So that's how to bold it, but if you want to italicize it too, go to the beginning of your comment and then put an underscore, and then at the end of your comment put an underscore. So it'll look like this. It'll look pretty weird just in the text box, but once you hit post, it'll be italicized and bolded. So that is how you do that. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.